Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, members of medical fraternity. On behalf of Dear Diabetes Academy, welcome to Diabetes Summit 2021, a diabetes masterclass that will put the spotlight on interventions to preserve beta cell function in the management and prevention of type 2 diabetes. DEAR is an acronym for Diabetes Education, Awareness and Research. Over the course of our summit, we shall have presentations from a plethora of experts who will enlighten us on a variety of critical issues as they share with us their vast reservoirs of knowledge, experience, and expertise. And we shall also be recognizing and presenting awards to the diabetes rising stars. We are delighted to welcome our honorary guest, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission of Canada, New Delhi. Welcome, sir, and thank you for your presence here at Diabetes Summit 2021. A warm welcome, too, to the recipients of the Diabetes Rising Stars Awards 2021, who we shall have the privilege of introducing shortly. We are delighted to welcome you, our delegates who have joined us online from across the country and some from overseas as well. Have a fruitful and rewarding summit. Let us now light the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the knowledge and enlightenment we shall share during the course of this scientific meeting. And to do the honors, I'd like to invite our honorary guest, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission of Canada, New Delhi. I'd like to invite the recipients of the Diabetes Rising Stars Awards 2021 to join us in lighting the lamp. Dr. Sunil Kumar Kota, Dr. Sudhakar Reddy, Dr. M.V. Ramamohan, and Dr. Dhruvi Hasnani. I shall also request Dr. J. Jayaprakash Sai, Founder and General Secretary, Dear Diabetes Academy, to join our dignitaries in the lighting of the lamp. Thank you to our dignitaries for doing the honors. I shall now request Dr. J. Jayaprakash Sai to welcome us and set the tone for Diabetes Summit 2021. Dr. J. Jayaprakash Sai. Welcome to the Diabetes Rising Stars Awards 2021, instituted by Dear Diabetes Academy. The award recognizes outstanding young professionals who have made significant contributions and shown great accomplishment in the management and patient care in the field of diabetes. To confer the Diabetes Rising Stars Awards 2021, I would like to invite our honorary guest, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission of Canada, New Delhi. Dr. J. Jayaprakash Sai, Founder and General Secretary, Dear Diabetes Academy, will also be on screen with Mr. Andrew Smith for the presentations. Our first rising star is consultant endocrinologist at Diabetes and Endocare Clinic, Behrampur, Odisha, and is a prolific and much published scientific contributor with numerous awards and accolades to his credit. He was selected as one of 25 candidates across the globe to be a part of ISPAD Research School, Boston in 2014, was a recipient of the Scope Scholarship by the World Obesity Congress in Mexico in September 2019, presented the Best Poster at AACE 2012 in Philadelphia, and has been the recipient of numerous international travel grants from national and international professional bodies. Dear Diabetes Academy takes immense pleasure in conferring the Diabetes Rising Stars Award 2021 for Diabetes Education on Dr. Sunil Kumar Kota. Our next rising star is Chief Endocrinologist at the Endocrinology and Research Center at Sunshine Hospitals, Secunderabad. He has been conducting the certificate course in evidence-based diabetes management for the Public Health Foundation of India since 2010, training more than 100 physicians. He has effectively used digital platforms to serve the medical profession in the fight against diabetes. He has a number of publications and articles to his credit, He has been investigator for several clinical trials and has been recognized as Legend of the Year 2018 by Times Healthcare. He has participated in numerous national and international conferences, has conducted workshops, and has been both speaker and chairperson at several scientific meetings. Dear Diabetes Academy is delighted to confer the Diabetes Rising Stars Award 2021 for Digital Diabetes on Dr. Sudhakar Reddy. Our next Diabetes Rising Star Award goes to a person who has lent a whole lexicon of meaning to the term clinical diabetes. He is consultant endocrinologist and diabetologist at Diabetes and Endocrine Clinic, Pogathota, Nellore, Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Nellore, and Shar ISRO Hospitals, Sriharikota, Nellore. He did his MBBS from Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam, his MD in General Medicine from Narayana Medical College, Nellore, and DM Endocrinology from Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam. Dear Diabetes Academy is pleased to confer the Diabetes Rising Star Award 2021 for clinical diabetes on Dr. M.V. Ramamohan. The next rising star we shall honor is consultant diabetologist and head of department clinical research at Rudraksha Institute of Medical Sciences, Ahmedabad. She is treasurer of RSSDI Gujarat chapter, faculty for the National Diabetes Educators Program, and has been a speaker at numerous national and international conferences. A winner of the Torrent Young Scholar Award for Diabetes, she not only has nearly 40 national and international publications, but is a reviewer for the Pediatric Diabetology Journal and the Journal of Diabetology, and is an investigator for clinical trials. Dear Diabetes Academy takes immense pleasure in conferring the Diabetes Rising Star Award 2021 for Diabetes Research on Dr. Dhruvi Hasnani. I shall now invite our honorary guest, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission of Canada, New Delhi, to share his thoughts with us. Mr. Andrew Smith. I shall now request the recipients of the Diabetes Rising Star Awards 2021 to briefly address our audience in turn. Dr. Sunil Kumar Kota, Dr. Sudhakar Reddy, Dr. M.V. Ramamohan, and Dr. Dhruvi Hasnani. Over to our rising stars. On behalf of Dr. J. Jayaprakash Sai, founder and general secretary, Dear Diabetes Academy, I would like to thank our honorary guest, Mr. Andrew Smith, Minister Commercial, High Commission of Canada, New Delhi, for gracing this inaugural function and presenting the Diabetes Rising Stars Awards 2021. Thank you to our 4 rising stars, our patrons and associates for their support to Diabetes Summit 2021. We thank all our faculty who will enlighten us with their scientific presentations, and you, our dear delegates, for your overwhelming response. As we begin our scientific sessions, we wish you an enlightening and enriching journey at Diabetes Summit 2021.